What's up, guys? Ayato 666. Want to talk to you guys about a couple things. This actually might be the most helpful video I've ever made. I hate how fat my face looks. Okay. 10 pounds? What do I look like? Jabba the Hutt. Oh, whatever. Let's see where to start. I got a dual order, but a really weird stacked order for the first time ever. Wow, these glasses are not clean. I hope the lens is cleaner than this because I tried to use simple green. I don't think it worked very well. I got a stacked order, and I was literally on the other side of town getting Taco Bell. Coming back, I get an Applebee's order, which usually means everyone's rejected it. If you don't take it, it's basically not going through. Well, I'm like, okay, I'll take it. I can grab it. I'll let the customer know I'm running behind. Technically, we're not supposed to grab it till this certain window. I had plenty of time. I was like, okay, this isn't too bad. I grab it. I call the restaurant and I ask, and the lady tells me it's been sitting there for 20 minutes. I already know the customer's been waiting a while because they haven't responded to my text when I said I'm going to be a minute. And the lady got smart with me when I asked if they could remake it. Wasn't a lot of food, and any smart chef, but she wasn't a chef, but whatever, can just put it in a microwave. But whatever. She got real snippy. I don't want to cuss. She got real snippy, got an attitude. So I was like, I didn't ask for the attitude, and I hung up on her. Then I unassigned it. That is like literally the absolute best time to ever unassign something, because you got to think about it. Not just her attitude. You don't need to deal with that for one. And there needs to be, Doordash, there needs to be something in place. People can't just treat us however they feel like it. We represent your customers, and we are also customers. We should not be treated like that. But my point is, I already knew the customer was agitated, and I already knew the food was going to be cold. Unassign that, you're setting yourself up for failure there. But, what else was I going to do? Man, I had a bunch in my head. I was like, oh, I'm going to tell you guys this and this and this. Oh, yeah, okay. And then I had a tip and trick that a lot of people may not know, but remember in the beginning I told you to contact customer service? Yeah, don't do that. They're worthless. I think they're literally at home typing on a keyboard and they have no idea what they're doing. They have no idea how to help you, and they don't care about you at all. I found that out the hard way many times. And I also found out, I did this before, I actually saw someone do it online, but there's a guy that did the same thing as me, which I'm glad you guys think outside the box. I had trouble with a customer, so I was like, okay, I'll contact the customer, or our customer's order. I'll actually tell you the full thing. I got an order, I literally get to the restaurant, they're slammed. And she's like, I didn't even know the app was on. It's going to be at least 45 minutes. So I'm like, oh, no, not doing that, because we can't wait that long. We don't get paid hourly. 2, it's not worth it. And 3, it's just dumb. It's just terrible for everyone. So it was just a mistake. So I contact customer service. I'm thinking, this is a pretty obvious, it's a mistake. They should cancel this, right? Wrong. Oh, just unassign and take the hit. What are you for? I literally told you, your merchant messed up. They admitted they messed up. If you call them, they'll tell you they messed up. Why am I taking hits to my stats? Because you're lazy. She said, just unassign it and we'll cover it later. Yeah, I really believe that. So instead, what I did, and I'd like you guys to do this too, because it's a good trick. Think outside the box. Think as a customer. Would you want to wait 40 minutes for some food? No, you wouldn't. Chances are, if you talk to the customer and if you put it on their end, because I happen to know this is true, but it doesn't mean they won't try to rip the customer off. But the procedure and policy is, if the food is done, you're going to have to pay for it. But if the food has not been made, which in this case it had not been made, you should get a full refund. So I said that to the guy and I said, can you please cancel your order? And of course he did. But I'm like, what good was customer service in that area? What did I do wrong? You're going to punish me because I picked up an order to help someone, to literally deliver food, my job. And I have to take hits to my numbers. These people are ridiculous, man, and I really hope we stand together in some way. I really want some kind of rights on, because I'm not the first person to hear how crappy these employees treat us. We don't get an hourly wage, dude. We don't deserve your attitude. I don't care what's happening to you at your home. I didn't come in here and give you an attitude, so I don't deserve one. If you guys are with me on that, please give me a like, share this. Let's grow this community. I think I'm going to keep trying to think of actual cool things I can do, but that is a really good trick. I've used it twice and gotten completely out of losing any stats or anything, so And you also get paid in that instance because they canceled it, but you arrived. So yeah, it's a good trick. Peace out, guys.